Ready? Close.
See you. Long time.
Shut.
Mr. Vice President, if I can introduce the Prime Minister of the Republic of Macedonia.
President of the government.
I like vice presidents.
Our Minister of Foreign Affairs.
I could also be a vice for the minister.
Advisor for Foreign Affairs.
I think we last spoke in July. We met in leadership and the president and I, and looking very much forward.
For us, it's great honor. It's very powerful message to our citizens. Thank you personally, because first motivation came. It was really motivated me during the missions, also in the region. I wish you all the best. You personally in the United States.
Next year.
Next year I will wait here.
Okay, very good.
Thank you.
Very good. Thank you, sir.
Ready? Close. Shut.